Okay, so the husband wants hot sauce and I don't want to make it, so I'm telling him how to make it. And so I'm going to take you through the process of how he's making his hot sauce. So there are two ways of doing your own hot sauce. You can use vinegar, have it sit in vinegar with garlic and whatever herbs and spices you like. And he decided to use garlic, vinegar, and what else?
Black pepper
And black pepper.
and some herb. I don't know which herb.
He doesn't know which herb, so this is his handicraft. He's gonna learn how to make it. Everything he wants. Can you make this? Hell no, you gonna learn. You're gonna learn how to make it.
And the habanero looks very nice. You're really doing it because the habanero looks nice.
We?
Yeah, show them.
Well,
Nice.
these chilies looking good. He says he. the husband just finished making his chili sauce. Well, start the process, the fermentation process, and I am going out to do a bit of inventory checkup on some products I need, and I'll take you along with that. October sun is saying hello. Is it me you're looking for? That's what the October sun is saying to me. I cannot get enough of this sun. Ooh. Frida, mi querida. Hola, mi amor. We went to get products at the market they didn't have, so I messaged another vendor to check if their location has what I'm looking for. In the meantime, I'm waiting for a response and I'm going to eat. I am starving. I am hungry. I am having lunch dinner at 2:54. It's a side and bagel. Delicious. So bien, comida bien, amiga bien. Compró cena lonchera por mango también porque estoy muy para hoy poco. Tenía una cita con mi amiga. Ay, I'm speaking in Spanish. The vino did that. The wine did that. So everything was good. I had a good afternoon. I had to meet a friend. Well, I should be meeting a friend, but because I'm waiting for the guys to deliver the meat, that I can't do a pushback. I just cancel, and I'm happy that he understands that I have a business and I can't meet. Sometimes things will change. Damn it, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought I had shown us that we went to a restaurant late at night and at the time. And in the video I saw that it wasn't recorded, but I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please remember, stay positive, think of possibilities, and see you in the next video.